Hi, I'm Chris Mackenzie and I'm the Assistant Director for Adult Social Care at Midway Council. And I'm really pleased today to be able to introduce our new voluntary and community sector Better Together Consortium. This is a really important initiative for us in Midway and will really support the delivery of our strategic priorities for adult social care in Midway. Our vision for adult social care is to support people to live full, active lives, to live independently in their own homes for as long as possible, and also to play a full part in their local communities. And for this reason, it's really important that we have a vibrant voluntary and community sector that's able to support people to achieve those objectives. So I'm really pleased today to be able to introduce the consortium and to ask the members of the consortium to tell you more about what they do and how they can support you and how you can access their services.
My name's Scott Elliott, I'm Head of Health and Wellbeing at Midway Council's Public Health Team. Midway Council has the strategic priority to improve health and wellbeing levels of residents and reduce health inequalities. The Council takes this priority really seriously, but we do know we need all of our partners to support us in Midway, so that includes all of our private, public, voluntary and academic sector partners. Now, the voluntary community sector already play a huge role in doing this and supporting residents every day to live healthier, happier lives, and we want to carry on working together to increase this. The Better Together Consortium is an excellent platform for us, allowing us to carry on working with the whole of the sector. For example, the consortium is supporting us to develop a social prescribing system in Midway, and we plan to use this new intervention to support people to live healthier, happier lives.
My name's Jane Howard. I'm the Chief Executive from Midway Voluntary Action. We're really pleased to be part of this consortium because we've always been a great believer in working in partnership, and we can see that there are massive benefits in terms of our beneficiaries with the outcomes that partnership working can produce. At MVA we do two main things. We support the voluntary sector and we represent the voluntary sector. We support the sector using a whole range of different techniques, some of which is to deliver training, to give advice on funding and on setup. And we represent the sector by collecting information from the voluntary sector in a whole variety of ways. And then we feed this information back to the statutory sector and to other national networks. And in so doing, we can influence policy, design and implementation. We also have a volunteering platform where we recruit volunteers for organisations in Midway who will post their details onto our platform to let people know what's available. We know that there are over 1,000 organisations in Midway that work under the not-for-profit banner, and we believe that with our infrastructure support these organisations would not be able to deliver as effectively, and we have received this feedback from many organisations on a number of occasions. If you want to contact us, then please see the last slide on this presentation for our details.
Hello, my name is Maggie Kane and I'm the Manager for Healthwatch Medway. I'm here to let you know we are part of the VCS Better Together Consortium, and we are working with all residents of Midway to ensure that they get the best they possibly can from the health and social care services available to you. We support all residents of Midway, and we can do this by you getting in contact with us, details at the end of this presentation. Refer to us if you are struggling to get what you feel you want in health and social care services. If you are unsure of how to refer to us, contact one of our consortium members who will happily refer in. Our website details are www.healthwatchmedway.com.
Hi, my name is Dan MacDonald. I'm the CEO of Citizens Advice Midway. We are delighted to be part of the Better Together partnership. Around the table we have an exciting mix of diverse organisations working together for the residents of Midway. This partnership will only enhance and improve our service offer to residents. It will also bring together the voluntary sector and strengthen their voice. We are an independent charity who for over 80 years have given free, confidential, independent and impartial advice on a wide range of issues such as housing, debt and welfare benefits. It is important that organisations refer to us early to help prevent crisis. We aim to provide the advice people need for the problems they face and to improve the policies and practices that affect people's lives. Please contact us on our website www.medwayadvice.com or alternatively phone us on 01634 383 760.
Hello, my name is Amy Weaver and I work for Carers First. Carers First supports carers in Midway for over 15 years. A carer is someone of any age who looks after a relative or friend or neighbour who, due to frailty, physical or mental illness, addiction or disability, cannot manage without their support. We provide information, advice and support to adult carers and young carers from age 5. As part of the Better Together Consortium, Carers First works closely with the other organisations to provide holistic, whole family support to carers, ensuring better outcomes for residents of Midway. For some, caring is a rewarding and positive experience, but for others, caring without the right help and support can feel overwhelming. Carers do an amazing job and have the right to be supported, whether it be to access additional help with their caring role, remain in or gain employment, or for young carers to get extra support to achieve their educational aspirations. Many people see their caring role as part of their family relationship and don't see themselves as a carer until they reach crisis point. So part of our role is to work with businesses and schools to identify and support carers and become more friendly organisations themselves. You can refer a carer to our service and we will talk to them about their caring role and discuss any impact this might be having on their own health and well-being. We will provide tailored information and advice, including other useful services for the carer and the person they're looking after. We provide training and offer opportunities for carers to talk to others who might be in a similar situation to them and provide peer support. For young carers, we assess them to identify the level of type of support they're providing to ensure the inappropriate care isn't being offered by them. For young carers, we provide support which includes one-to-one sessions, lunch clubs, and additional grant funding enables us to run after-school groups and lots of holiday activities. You don't have to wait until a carer is struggling or there is a crisis before you refer someone to Carers First for support. The earlier a carer gets help, the more difference it can make to them. You can refer a carer to us in a number of ways. Complete an online professional referral form on our website. You can call our Carers Hub on 0300 303 1555, or you can email us at referral@carersfirst.org.uk.
I'm Catherine, Head of Client Services at Kent Association for the Blind, or KAB. KAB is a local charity established in 1920 which supports sight-impaired people of any age and at any stage of sight loss to live independently. We provide assessment of need, skills training and equipment. Specialist workers provide training that enables sight-impaired people to use technology for everyday tasks and communication. Trained KAB volunteers offer other services such as befriending and social groups. To our consortium partners, we're really pleased to offer sight impairment awareness training and advice on making services and environments accessible. We're really pleased to be working in partnership with Midway Council and the other consortium members, and we look forward to receiving referrals from a range of sources, including adult social care, health and the voluntary sector. For more information, visit kab.org.uk.
Hello, I'm Fiona Cottingham. I work for the charity Imago. Imago is a social action charity supporting people and communities across Medway, Kent, East Sussex and parts of London. Today I'm here to talk about the Medway Wellbeing Navigation Service. The service is part of the VCS Better Together grouping, working with residents of Medway to provide better outcomes, important links with adult social care and forming partnerships with other organisations. We support adults 18 plus who need a little bit of help on advice and guidance. That could be in terms of domiciliary care, it could be handy person services, home security, transport links, through to befriending, social support, and it may be form filling. We will provide links to the organisations who can support with this, providing a bit of a one-stop shop. Referrals can be made by health professionals, GPs, as well as self-referrals and family members. Referrals are made via our website and also via email. We have a dedicated hub team who can answer the phone to any questions or queries.